Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can customize the Do Not Disturb focus on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Focus. Next, tap on Do Not Disturb. In here, you'll be able to customize the Do Not Disturb focus. At the top section is your notifications section. So say it here, notifications from selected people and apps will be allowed or others will be silenced. So tap on people, and here you can choose whether to set it to silence notifications from or allow notifications from. So tap on add people, and in your contacts, select the people that you want to include in the list. Okay, so for example, I have selected 5 contacts. Let's remove voicemail. Okay, so we've got 4 contacts here. And by choosing allow notifications from, these people will be able to send me notifications during this focus. Otherwise, you can choose silence notifications from. So these 4 people or these 4 contacts will not be able to send me notifications, and everyone else can. Okay, so select how you want to display the notifications. Next, we go down is the phone calls. Allow calls from. So in here, it's set to favorite. You can choose to allow calls from everybody during this focus, or allow people only, favorites, or contacts only. So select one of the options from the list. Next, we go down, and in here you can choose whether to allow or don't allow repeated calls. So a second call from the same person within 3 minutes will not be silenced. Okay, so you can choose whether to turn this feature off or switch it on. Okay, so that is just for notifications from contacts. Let's go to apps. In here, you can also choose whether to silence notifications or not from apps as well. So again, here you can choose silence notifications from or allow notifications from. In here, tap on Add App and go down the list and select the apps that you want to include in the list. Then tap on Done. So here I have selected 4 apps, and these 4 apps will allow me to send notifications during the Do Not Disturb focus. Or I can choose to silence notifications from these 4 apps, and all other apps can send me notifications. And here you can also choose whether to turn on or turn off time sensitive notifications. When time sensitive notifications are turned on, allow apps that are silenced to send notifications marked as time sensitive immediately. Alright, so if we go back in here, we can now go down and customize the lock screen and the home screen for the Do Not Disturb. So in here, tap on the Choose button. On the left hand side is the lock screen, and on the right hand side is the home screen. Now tap on Choose, and then in here you can create a new lock screen just for this focus. Otherwise, you can choose one of your lock screen that you have previously created. So in here you can see I have a few lock screen that I can choose from. So let's say I want to choose this particular lock screen for this Do Not Disturb focus, and then tap on Done. Now you can also do the same for the home screen. So tap on Choose, and here choose which home screen that you want to use when this focus is switched on. So tap on Done. Alright, so we have customized the screen for the lock screen and home screen. So let's go down to a schedule. You can set up a schedule so that this focus turn on automatically at a set time, location, or when using a certain app. So let's say when you are playing game, you want Do Not Disturb automatically switch on, and that will switch the home screen and the lock screen, and also other things as well, such as focus filters. So we go into this in a minute. So here we can tap on Add Schedule, and here you can add a schedule based on time, location. So let's say when you go to work, you can activate do not disturb so you don't get disturbed at work. If you want to set the location, you tap on location and then you put in your work address. For time schedule, you can choose from which time to which time. So here it's say from 9 o'clock to 5 p.m. From Sunday to Saturday every day. During this period, my do not disturb focus will get activated. So you can see here immediately as soon as I added the schedule, you can see my do not disturb focus has been turned on. Alright, so I'm going to delete the schedule. So you can always go in here and delete the schedule or edit the schedule. Next is the filters. So customize how your apps and device behave when this focus is turned on. So when do not disturb is turned on, I can activate the low power mode. So I can enable that. I can turn on low power mode. So tap on done and that will get added. You can add in more filters. So already in this do not disturb, it already has 4 filters applied. I'm going to delete some of them now. So if you do not want to use a particular filters, you can go in here and tap on delete filter and that will remove the filters. So let's adding in a new filter by tapping on add filter and then go down. You see what filters are available for you to choose. Not that many yet that you can choose from. For example, I can choose dark mode. So when I go into when the do not disturb focus turn on, it will automatically turn on dark mode, and when we turn off do not disturb, it will go back to light mode. So tap on the add button to add in the filter. Alright, so that is the last features of the focus is the filters. You could set schedule, you can customize the screen and notifications. 4 different sections or 4 different things that you can customize for your focus. Alright, so let's go back to the home screen. And now that you can see my focus is set to personal, I'm going to set it to do not disturb. Then I'll swipe up and you can see immediately on my home screen background changes with a different wallpaper. On the lock screen, it should behave the same. It applied a new wallpaper on my lock screen. And if I turn off do not disturb, so if I switch it off, do not disturb, turn off. I do not have any focus switch on now. And you can see my lock screen wallpaper has changed and my home screen also has changed as well. And that's it. That is how you can customize the do not disturb focus. Whenever you want to manually turn on the do not disturb focus, you can swipe down at the top to open up the control center. In here, tap on focus, then tap on do not disturb to turn on that focus. Otherwise, you can always set a schedule to have it turn on automatically or switch off automatically. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.